While you're in there, could you get a couple of executive office chairs since we're apparently understocked? Go flush yourself. Wow, that's a hate crime.
Amnesia. Great. Thorn, does the number 3660 mean anything to you? The little black zipper.
Some big scary blokes in lab coats use that zipper to turn you into one of those little round frogs for a week, for an experiment. If I recall correctly, that was really upsetting for you, wasn't it?
Look at him. He looks like a little scrotum. Spray him with the acid.
I'm surprised he hasn't started suppressing memories sooner.
We are not doing this. Okay, my turn. Listen, Thorn. This is very important, and I don't want you to take this the wrong way. I'm going to have to ask you to kill yourself.
Okay, my turn now. Thorn, I've bookmarked a couple of memory-enhancing maths games on epicmathsgames.com.
Well, as Elder Freestanding always says, heckling drones cometh before the dawn. I shouldn't be expecting any more surprises for the rest of the night. Huh? Who are— oh, that guy.
Shut up. I'm doing this for the tribe. You're a monster. I won't let you ruin me. I won't let you ruin this tribe.
Stanley? Why are you threatening Thorn with a that's not your name, Stanley.
I remember everything. God, my life sucks.
Absolute wanker. We were supposed to be one big family. Why would you do this to your brother?
Elder, look there! Thorn is self-assembled again, just like IKEA legend.
Hopefully they don't misinterpret this.
Like I always said, holy resurrection cometh before the dawn.
Dead champion!
I always said,
Wait, hold on, hush everyone. He wrote us a message in his own blood.
Oh, that's fucking rad.
He wants us to follow his example of bravery and sacrifice. We must take a leap of faith, and we too will become undying.
Steph, wait! What the ever-loving fuck are you doing?
Sorry, Stanley, but you're kind of a dick.
Maybe I should have used more blood. What the?
Bless you, Thorn. You sacrificed yourself just to catch my frail, shriveled constitution.
Alright, good job. Get up on there. We're getting out of here.
Are you taking us to the land beyond the parking lot?
You know it, big guy. You're a lot heavier than you look, Hutch.
That's because I was born with 2 skeletons inside my body.
That is the worst thing I've ever heard in my life. And we get to eat pizza, and it's a huge top-secret facility. But don't tell anyone I told you.
Got it.
If I remember correctly, I died in aisle 34,692. God, I missed having a good brain.
Is that our escape, Thorn?
It sure is. Oh, but my real name's Connor.
So why'd they send you into this awful place anyway? Do they hate you or something?
No, I'm just the closest thing to a field analyst there.
Like an agent? A spy?
Thought you saw the last of me, huh? Well, looks like the pillowcase is on the other pillow. Say goodnight, Canopy Tribe.
I'm not with them.
Who's that?
Hope can never die.
Try to crack my double
I
skull.
can't see what's going on.
God, I hope this isn't just a normal staple gun. In my defense, I lost my memory and got, like, wicked good at throwing spears, but I'm really, really sorry about your drone.
It's okay, Connor. It's okay. Look over there. We found a chair for Dr. Wilson. Oh, you brought home some friends. Would any of you guys like some pistachios?
Oh my God!
Is that a no on the pistachios?
Oh, Connor. You know, in a weird way, this is exactly how I pictured our future.
Hold that thought. Tall boy, can you press your hand up against my temple?
Sure, Thorn. Anything for you, old buddy, old chum. What have I done? Oh, yeah.
Connor, you'll come back for me, right?
This is actually kind of comfortable, like a big flesh snuggie.
I hope I'm not the closest to wherever the anus
Oh,
is.
I think I left my stove on back at the canopy.
I can't wait to be let back into normal society.
Am I allowed to be concerned yet?
Oh, come on. They're not dead. It doesn't count. Ugh. You always have to make it weird. Next, you're gonna tell me I'm darkness incarnate, one step away from leveling a small neighborhood. You're so paranoid. No wonder you're single.
I cannot wait to hear all of your marvelous IKEA adventures. But first, raise your hand if you need to see a therapist.
Alright, it appears everything is fully operational.
So, I'm human again.
Correct. This new bit of hardware is really something. We appreciate you volunteering. Transplanting the human soul is quite the sticky endeavor.
Alright, Ian. It looks like you're good to go. Are you excited to see your family?
God. I hope they remember me.
I'm sure they will.
Psst. Ludwig, come here.
Ah, Mr. Stavros, the invention is a huge success. Maybe we can even do something about your situation.
Kudos, my friend, but this is of special interest. For the past few weeks, this woman from the IKEA dimension has an interesting medical anomaly. She was particularly fond of our favorite test subject.
Insightful. The site manager will be very grateful for this information.
Indeed.
I'm gonna tell him first.
What? That is bullshit. I am brain doctor, not you.
But the whole time I just felt tired and resented from them. Resenting?
Resentful?
Resentful. I kinda liked being important. So I thought helping them would make me happy, and it did. Until it didn't. It was like that story with the guy and the rock going up the mountain.
Jumanji 2? Oh, Sisyphus.
That's the one.
Well, sounds to me like you have a perpetual need for love and attention, probably due to a lifetime.
Okay, no more psychoanalysis, please.
Sorry. But is it really that hard to believe that people would like you, even if you weren't useful? You'd be surprised to see how others react when you get to be yourself.
I don't want to be myself.
Dr. Powers, you've been requesting access to a particular file over the past few weeks. Is that correct? I understand that you've been neglecting your health checks as of late. I think it's in your best interest that you come to my office immediately.
I was right. I was right. I knew it. I was right, and everyone else was wrong. I'm still the hero.